Hey Armando, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. I hope you're doing well today. I want to take a look at these ETFs that you had sent me to analyze. The first one we're going to look at is one that we've looked at before. It is EMLC, which is the VanEck Vectors JP Morgan Local Currency Bond ETF. The last time we looked at it, it was kind of at a make or break point, and it's definitely hit that point now, so we have some more information, which is why I'm guessing you wanted me to look at it again. So anyway, starting from the top, it was incepted back in 2010, had a brief stint where it was able to advance up to about 2250, but since the 2013 high into the 2016 low, it turned into a pretty mean breakdown. But things have reversed since then. So the last time I looked at it for you was back in late 2016. At that time, this downtrend had not yet declared whether it was a trendy move or a counter trend move. Now, Elliott wave states that counter trend moves are 3-wave moves, while trendy moves are 5-wave moves. So we were kind of looking for some more information from EMLC to determine what the case was for this decline. And I had indicated that a move above 1875 would indicate that it was not a trendy move and instead was a counter trend move. So that is exactly what happened, which proves to us that this decline off the 2013 high is one big counter trend 3-wave move. So that's some very valuable information, and it makes the advance that we've seen off the 2016 low look all the more enticing from here. So it's been able to develop since then. Obviously, it tanked, but it's reversed and moved up to a new high. About a new 2.5-year high is where it's at currently, and looking pretty bullish. So basically what we need to know now is, what is the opportunity here? How do you want to trade it? And let's take a look at that now. So if we zoom in on EMLC, this is looking at the advance off the 2016 low. It is a trendy move. It looks very promising. The first leg off the 2016 low, I believe, ended early on here, not at the actual high, but earlier on here in, looks like 8 April. From there, it had a nice 3-wave counter trend pullback, found support where it should, before embarking on another trendy up leg off of November's low. So the up legs have been trendy, the pullbacks have been the counter trend moves. So these are all good signs that EMLC is going to continue higher from here. So here's what I'd do. If I owned it right now, I would hold on to it with a stop at 1850. If you don't own it, I would probably wait. Look for, it looks like this up leg that started back in November is probably getting somewhat closer to being over. No guarantees it could continue higher, but it looks like there's probably a high coming at some point in the near future. A move below 1850 at any point proves that a high is in and this up leg has completed. So if you don't own it yet, you can wait for the pullback, look for a larger pullback to form, and then buy it as the next up leg begins. If you do own it, I would hold it until it moves below 1850. On any larger time frame, EMLC is going to look bullish as long as it's trading above 1750. That's probably the most important level on the chart. If this up leg completes and a pullback emerges, we would expect that pullback to end somewhere above 1750 and for the next up leg to begin. So that's how I would approach it. I think it's bullish overall. I do think this up leg could end sometime soon, so I'd be careful for that. But overall, we're looking for EMLC to continue this advance off the 2016 high and continue this nice trendy move as long as it's trading above 1750. I hope that's helpful. I will get to your other ETF in just a moment. Thank you.